These are called Crosbys. In this example, we have 2 wires, right? Now I know that it's 1 wire that's looped over, but there's technically 2 of them. The long one is our dynamic one. The short one is our dead one. And there's a saying in Crosby world, never saddle a dead horse. Well, the large piece of your Crosby is your saddle. And I actually have the saddle on the dead side, and that is incorrect, that's wrong. And here's the reason why, is when I go to cinch this Crosby down, the U-bolt is gonna cinch onto this wire, and it's effectively damaging the wire. The saddle portion is much more surface area, and when it gets cinched down, it doesn't damage the wire. If I add weight and load to this line, it's not going anywhere, even though I haven't connected this yet. That's the purpose of the Crosby. It's a temporary solution.